Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can either slow down or speed up your dances in Sodah on Roblox. So to do that, open up emotes and select the song you want. For instance, this one. So to slow it down or speed it up, go here. Speed it up, put it up here. As you can see, she dances very quick. And to slow it down, you're just going to go here. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.